Hello, it's weekend bundle time again, and to celebrate the launch of Designer's Choice, the Lovebirds box, we got some special bundles for you in Craft Perfect and Nouveau products on the store this weekend. So let's find out what they are. First up is our Pearlescent Bundle, and that's 30 sheets at 50% off. Our Pearlescent Craft Perfect card, beautifully smooth and wonderful effects can be created with it. Next up is our specialty paper. There's 20 sheets there at 50% off, and they have beautiful textures and designs in a wonderful Craft Perfect paper. Next up we have a traditional Craft Perfect Classic card bundle. You've got 70 sheets at 40% off. One side is weaved, one side is smooth. Wonderful craft card to use on your projects. We've got an essential craft card bundle. It's 30 sheets at 40% off. Craft card doesn't go out of fashion and it'll look wonderful on your projects. We've got our Nouveau vintage drop bundle. If you haven't seen our vintage drops before, they're like our Nouveau drops, but they create a wonderful matte effect. Beautiful, and they are at 30% off on the store this weekend. And finally, we have our Glacia paste bundle at 30% off. Glacia paste, if you've seen our glimmer paste, which has more of a textured effect, this has a smooth textured effect with your Glacia paste, so well worth trying out some brand new techniques with your Nouveau tools. And that's it for the bundles this weekend. They're beginning on Friday at midnight all the way until Monday at 4 PM, so grab yourself a bargain on the Tonic Studio stores.